Welcome to my channel Tech Shift, providing alternative resources. In this video I explain with you free alternatives of Photoshop is the powerful tool for photo editing, but it's expensive for beginners and challenging to understand it. Today, we are going to explain free 5 alternative. In this video I explain features of different platforms with weaknesses and recommendations. At ends of video you will able to choose right Photoshop editor. Let's start. These alternative are following. 1. GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program. 2. Photopea, Online Editor. 3. Krita, Digital Painting Focused. 4. Pixlr, Web-based Editor. 5. Paint.net, Simple and Lightweight. Before going to depth, I request to subscribe Tech Shift, which providing alternative resource. If you want a powerful tool that save your time and give professional look to your editing, that is GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program. There have advanced 6 key features. 1. Layers and masks. Just like Photoshop, GIMP supports layers, layer masks, and blending modes. 2. Customizable Interface. Rearrange panels to fit your workflow. 3. Advanced editing tools. Includes brushes, paths, gradients, and even scripting support. 4. Free and open source, no hidden costs, and the community constantly improves it. 5. Supports plugins, extend functionality with free add-ons like Resynthesizer, content-aware fill. 6. Cross-platform, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. With these features I find 2 weaknesses of this platform. 1. Steep learning curve. The UI feels outdated and can be overwhelming for beginners. 2. No built-in cloud storage. Unlike Photoshop, you can't save files directly to the cloud. GIMP is the closest free alternative to Photoshop, packed with professional tools. If you're willing to learn its interface, it's a powerhouse. But if you want something simpler, keep watching. Next is perfect for quick edits if you need a Photoshop-like experience without installing software. Great for students and casual editors, that's Photopea, Online Editor, with awesome features. Photoshop-like UI, feels familiar with layers, filters, and shortcuts. Works in browser, no downloads needed. Runs on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. PSD support, opens and saves Photoshop files perfectly. Quick and lightweight, doesn't slow down your system. Basic AI tools, includes background removal and smart selections. Free, with ads, a premium version removes ads for a small fee. Factfully it has 2 weaknesses. Internet required, can't use it offline. Limited advanced features, no deep AI tools like Photoshop's neural filters. If you're into digital art or illustration, next is unbeatable. But if you need advanced photo retouching, other options might suit you better. Krita, Digital Painting Focused. It have outstanding features. Amazing brush engine, designed for artists with 100+ customizable brushes. Animation support, create frame-by-frame animations. HDR and PSD support, works with Photoshop files in high dynamic range images. Non-destructive editing, adjustments, layers and filters. Completely free, no watermarks or paywalls. Great for tablets, excellent pen pressure sensitivity. That have 2 weaknesses that are following. Not ideal for photo editing, more focused on painting than photo manipulation. No cloud features, all work is saved locally. If you want save money and space of device, then use next platform is awesome for quick, AI enhanced edits and social media content. A solid choice if you don't need heavy duty editing. That is Pixlr, web-based editor. We discusses unbelievable 6 key features. User-friendly, clean, modern interface similar to Photoshop. AI-powered tools, auto cutout, background remover, and face retouch. Works on any device, no installation needed. Templates and presets, great for social media graphics. Free version available, no sign-up required for basic use. Mobile app, edit on the go with Pixlr's app. It including 2 possible weaknesses. Limited layers in free version, Premium unlocks more features. Requires good internet, slower connections may lag. Next and last is perfect for beginners who need a lightweight editor for basic tasks. Not for pros, but great for casual use. Paint.net, simple and lightweight. Their key features are easy to use, simpler than GIMP but more powerful than MS Paint. Plugin support, extend features with community add-ons. Fast performance, light on system resources. Basic layer support, good for simple compositing. Free forever, no ads or subscriptions. Great for beginners, intuitive UI with essential tools. Weaknesses. Windows only, no Mac or Linux version. So, which one will you try? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next